Man, you know I only drink orange juice before 6 o'clock. That's right. We're headed up to see Bodie again and see what he's got going on with Zosh. Man, it is really bright in here. We did some new lighting the other day. Added a fan. So we're taking baby up again. So yeah, we're headed up to Orlando. We're gonna see Bodie. Zosh has got his car. We all know Zosh. His Integra. It's getting some love. We saw it over at the Acura Honda Classic meet. And it's all there. It just needs a little bit of cleaning up. So Bodie's up there. If you've been catching his episodes, man, he's been doing a great job. I'm gonna go up there, check it out, do a little body work, and then we're probably most likely gonna come up in a few weeks and go over there for the painting process. So let's get this on the road and see what he's got going on. About 10-15 minutes away from Bodie. Little fun fact, I used to work at the Cracker Barrel back in the day. I was a server, so I'm gonna go over here and have a little breakfast, get a little energy in the body, and then we'll be ready to go and do some work today. So let's get it going. My favorite. And here is the aftermath. Oh man, that was really, really good. I don't even know if I want to work or if I want to sleep. But hey, let's finish up this road trip and let's get there. You have arrived at your destination. The route guidance will now stop. Okay, well, as that breakfast still settles in, let's see what's going on inside the shop. I think we have a cool little project going on here. Hey man, I recognize that car from Acura Honda Classic, but it looks a little bit different.
Yeah, well, you know, paint day.
Paint day. Now, you've been watching all your videos, you know what to do.
Yeah,
you're prepped?
Yeah.
You're good to go?
Yeah, I think I can paint this thing and make it, we have it a SEMA ready.
We're gonna find out today, all right? What's up, Bodie? Everything good?
What's up, man?
Thanks once again for the invite, man.
Yeah, man, this is the content hub today.
Yeah, bro.
3 different videos, it's gonna be crazy.
So let me talk real quick about what we might be seeing today. We got some holes right here that are gonna disappear, which I'm really interested in because I actually have never welded before. So, you know, Bodie's gonna show me a little bit about that. He's already started here on the quarter panel. So he's pretty much gotten rid of all those, which you probably already saw in his video previously. And over here, where we're gonna be working, is we have the inside of the trunk. Now, this is where the instructional video comes because hopefully no one will ever see this. But this is gonna be the inside. We're gonna sand it down with a 320, and then we're gonna seal it. We're gonna base it, and then we're gonna clear coat it, and we'll talk about all those products. So,
yep. Hey man, if you need any products, sandpaper, anything, just let me know what you need. In between me doing that and this and anything that you need, just let me know. We'll get it handled. And I'm glad you're here.
All right, cool, cool. So let's get to it. So over here on this side, we got the guys that already had sanded down all of these squares, which were slots for the molding. And these boys went ahead and they cut them out So now what they're gonna do is they're gonna weld a piece of metal behind it, because you just can't fill a hole with body filler. Body filler is only meant for, like, you know, to get an even surface. It's not meant to actually be structural in any way. So he's properly gonna do it. He's gonna put the welds in. We're gonna watch them. We're gonna see how they do, and then the whole thing will get filler to smooth out the whole entire side. So this is gonna look super clean. I really love this little mod they're doing here, because I'm not really a big fan of moldings, to be honest with you. I think you got it. Hey, that's your first stud?
My first stud.
Man.
I'm a beast, dude. I'm landing studs out here.
Who
bro.
taught you this?
My dad.
Who's your dad?
I don't know. You know, do the evolution of life, really.
All right.
Trying to put it in this small hole right here, and then just lay a nice seed out.
The evolution of life. I
And
like.
then just pull out, and that should be good.
Oh, all right. Seems like it's.
Seems like a good idea,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. There you go. All right, that's good. Woo.
All right.
That one's hot.
Yeah, that shit's hot.
That one's hot. He's about to do some welding. Woo! What a man. Now show me what you're going to be doing exactly.
Back masking.
Oh man, well, that's a new term in there.
Look
And-
at me, bro.
what is-
So essentially,
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you guys already know, but back masking is when you get the tape, bro. I'm nervous.
That tape,
I'm
yeah.
nervous. You get the tape, and then you just back it,
Yeah.
basically, and that's
And-
it, all the way around. And then from there, when we throw the plastic on, we're gonna just what? Just gonna fold it over the
No,
plastic?
so pretty much what this is doing is creating a new surface. The plastic's gonna go right onto here.
Okay.
So it's seamless. So no overspray gets anywhere. So we're gonna watch him back mask right now. We're just gonna tape it to our tape. What you're gonna do is just take it and just gently cut it like that along the middle of the tape. All right, so we're back here in the booth. We got this all masked up, and it's ready to be cut in. First thing we're gonna do is use sealer, get that good foundation. We got the master tech right here. He's going to mix it up himself. We just gave him a little bit of a
Pep talk.
pep talk on how to mix paint sealer. So we're gonna see how he does.
So all I have to do is just pour this in there until I get to the 8.
That's all you gotta do.
So pour this in there, like this.
Yeah.
Boom, okay.
He's gonna take it to the 8, and the sealer is like a good foundation for our paint to lay. So he's gonna do his master. Now this is the hardener. Like I said, this will not harden unless we have that in there. That's gonna go 1 part, 4 to 1. So the next 8 that you see on there
That's where the hardener
is where the hardener is gonna stop, right? Now this is something we're doing. We're making the choice to put some reducer in because we need it to lay a little bit smoother.
So this goes to
The
the
executive
next
decision. Yeah, it's gonna go to the next one.
Okay.
So there's a second one, a third number. Okay, so the master plan that we're gonna have here is Bodie's gonna go ahead and he's gonna spray one side. I'm gonna kind of talk Percy through what he's doing. And then we're gonna give it a try. We're just gonna see what happens. So he's gonna start at the edge right here, and he's gonna come all the way down, and he's gonna keep a wet edge. And wet edge pretty much means that he's gonna keep his overlap about 75%, and he's just gonna paint. And he's gonna probably move his paint gun a little around to get in here or whatever. But there's not much to it. It's just sealer. That's all it is. So. little more perpendicular. Like this? Like that, yes, yes. And closer. Yeah, yeah, right there. So start here. There you go. Yeah, just keep it going. You don't have to even, just keep it going, moving. You see how his is wet? You see how yours kind of dry?
Okay, so make it closer?
Yeah, a little closer, and it go whoop, 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 like a robot. Yeah, right on. Come do it right on wet.
Alright, and I have it too light over there.
There you go.
Start to finish, you know? And right now he's pushing it, he'll eventually...
Sealer is all down. Man, it's really smooth. I'm not gonna touch it, but it's ready for base, I can tell that much.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Okay, so we got the base all down. We're gonna go ahead and clear coat it now. I brought the copper for this one, so we'll see how the boys like it. Special shout out to my boy, Diaz. All right, hooked it up with that special clear. Y'all might wanna check him out on Instagram. Appreciate it, Diaz_M. You are what making this build possible, and we're making it shine. What do you think?
This thing's amazing, bro.
Yeah?
Dude, it's so nice, like seeing the process too, and like watching it, like.
And you painted it.
Yeah. Oh wait, I did a little bit, yeah. If y'all ever see this car in person, you know the driver's side was done by me.
The driver's side inside of the trunk.
Way underneath, yeah. All right. Well, we look forward to coming back and maybe working on the rest of the car.
Yeah,
you know, it's a cool build, and
That would be awesome.
you know, I appreciate the opportunity, and I appreciate you repping Acura Honda Classic too.
Hell yeah.
You know, that means a lot to us. So, Bodie.
Yeah, man. And dude, you know when it's game day for the whole car.
Yeah. I woke up this morning and I'm like, okay, we got a Miata to paint. And I'm like, thank God we don't have a Miata. We just have a trunk or whatever you got going for me. So I appreciate it. Hey, we'll look forward to seeing you guys when we come back up, maybe in a couple weeks once you get all ready to go.
Sure, without a doubt, man.
All right.
Thanks.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Shout out to the guy for the clear.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Diaz, I mentioned it. Thanks
Yeah,
again,
yeah.
Diaz. I appreciate that.
Yeah,
This is some nice clear. Look at that. All right, guys, so we got to get back on our way. We're headed back down to South Florida. It's a quick little... We're already in South Florida. Someone made a comment. Central Florida. We're headed back down to Miami, Fort Lauderdale. So we'll get back on the road now. All right, just leaving the place. Hey, two awesome guys, Zosh and Bodie. Man, it's always a pleasure coming up here. I look forward to coming back. I'm headed back down to South Florida, well, home, Fort Lauderdale. Probably gonna go into work today. But man, it was just nice to wake up, take a little ride in the morning, do a little work with the guys. Man, this whole YouTube thing's pretty cool. I'm really enjoying it. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I got some more coming in the pipeline. Don't forget to check out Acura Honda Classic. That's where we're doing an ITR project. All right, so you'll see a lot on that build, sponsored by Acura Painter. Okay guys, we'll see you on the next one.